Robotics play an increasing role in today's manufacturing processes. More and more companies rely on complex robots to produce their mass volumes of output. Robotic systems provide consistent results that work by way of accurate coordinate programming. Precise data is essential in establishing proper alignment and performance. One company that specializes in designing and manufacturing these types of robotic units is Parallel Robotic Systems Corporation.
Parallel Robotics was founded on the idea of providing a 6 degree of freedom robot. We have several different versions. The one behind us is our R-Series robot, and all of our devices are 6-legged robots they're essentially devices with a stationary platform, a stationary base, and a moving platform and 6 legs. The device behind us uses rotary motion and rigid legs to achieve its motion, and one of its specialties is its ability to rotate 360 degrees in one of its axes. It can move in X, Y, and Z, yaw, pitch, and roll, but its ability to move in 360 degrees of yaw has found some really wonderful applications in the defense, simulation, and biomedical fields.
Headquartered in Hampton, New Hampshire, Parallel Robotics produces specialized hexapod 6-legged systems. These 6 degree of freedom robots offer high load capacity and a large range of movement while still maintaining precision and repeatability. Customized to fit a wide variety of applications, the hexapod system requires accurate coordinate measurement capturing before being assembled. Previously, Parallel Robotics would ship their parts to outside metrology services, but proved to be too costly and time-consuming. Michael Fortier, Vice President of Research and Development at Parallel, saw the opportunity for improving their process.
Normally what we would do with our product is we would take our stationary base, our moving platform, and our legs, and we would actually send them to a CMM house, and they would have to do our measuring off-site for us for them to get qualified. Typically this would take a couple of weeks out of our ability to ship our product, but also would end up costing us about $1,000 per machine. So basically by purchasing the Faro gauge, we're able to save $1,000 and a couple of weeks out of our process.
By using the Faro gauge, it has empowered Parallel Robotics to conduct their own coordinate measurement gathering in-house. Since every hexapod robot requires accurate calibration as well as qualification, the Faro gauge allows technicians like Andrew to quickly verify these components before assembly.
This here is one of the main ways that we use the Faro gauge. What we do here is we actually create some data for a configuration file for our platforms, the movable portion of our robot. And what we do here is we actually measure the 6 spherical locations in relationship to the bottom plane of the platform.
Parallel Robotics builds multiple-sized robots for various applications, such as medical testing and prosthetics, water jet cutting, and video game simulation. Despite their difference in size, all of these hexapod robots must be precisely measured to ensure dependable repeatability.
One of our early customers that we've had a lot of success with is the people in the biomedical field are using our devices where high stiffness and force is necessary. And we're doing a lot of force feedback control, doing some testing for things like prosthesis or actually understanding how the human body moves.
This particular hexapod robot, for example, will be assembled, tested, and shipped off to an athletic shoe manufacturer so that testing research can be performed on longevity and wear and tear of athletic shoes. This platform will replicate the ground as they test the interaction of the human foot with the contours of each athletic sneaker. Without the Faro gauge, the collection of data for calibration and qualification for this robot would have taken days. But now, this large-scale hexapod was measured, built, programmed, and tested within just 1 day.
By bringing in the Faro gauge, now what we're able to do is we're actually able to measure our device in situ and save several days or weeks out of our cycle times.
Another great advantage of the Faro gauge is that it can easily be transported on-site for customers requesting recalibration changes to their robots. This proves to be another great cost-saving benefit for Parallel Robotics. As robots continue to play a larger role in various industrial and medical applications, Parallel Robotics will remain a pioneer in hexapod robotic systems. With their continued advancement in technology and with the support of Faro, Parallel Robotics has established itself as the leading provider of effective solutions to complex motion problems.